Hey, today I will show you how to use Augment to know everything about the project. So I have a project in front of me named Browser Used. I've never touched the code. What I will do is I will clone the repository and ask Augment some stuff about it. So I will copy paste the, the URL of the repo. I will go here and clone that repository. I will select a folder and clone the project, open it. Perfect. I will go on augment, index the code base. Basically, it will like learn everything about that project. So here it is. It's browser AI browser automation. Browser uses the Python library that enable agent to control web browser key feature. Okay. So what is my first question? I will go in the chat mode and which browser does that tool support? And pretty right away, normally in like a couple of seconds, it will scan the project, all the index, and we will see which browser we can use with Chrome-based browser like Google Chrome, Brave. Okay, uh, how can I install this and use it? So if I have a question like, in which file you're processing like LLM call or something like that. In which file are you processing LLM call? Where is the prompt? And in agent services, you have here execute LLM interaction with retry logic. We can see service.py. You can see it's right here. So basically you can scan a project, ask for a function or a method or everything, an API, and you will get the answer with Augment. On that, you can start learning about that project and you will be able to modify it and send pull requests to the owner or something like that. So that's how open source projects are working. I think that Augment with the fast indexing and all the stuff can help you out um, to get you like implicated directly into a project open source. So like in 10 minutes, you can start working with a project like that and maybe ask it like I will just check what's the browser supported. So the browser supported is Google Chrome, Brave, Edge, but it's not supporting Firefox. What shall I do? Shall I do to support Safari or Firefox? What are we missing here? Firefox don't support CDP, so modify the connection method. Make the project working with Firefox. The agent is telling me that Chromium browser are hard-coded. So I will need to hard code it with something with Playwright Firefox. I created a list of tasks here and we'll execute the task. We started modifying it. So Firefox is now added into the profile.py. I was not aware that there was a profile.py here. That's it. That's how we can use Augment to improve an open source project like the browser use. Have a nice day and have a good coding session, guys.